Well. Hello there. How are you doing, punters? This is Mr. Fantastic, and I am here to make sure you start loving puns and make puns simpler. This video is sponsored by Fantastic for the Pun of It. You've guessed it right. I am the owner of Fantastic. We make some awesome punny merchandise, or what we like to call it as punchandise. To be honest, this video has got nothing to do with us promoting our products, but in fact, the only thing that we would be promoting are puns. Well, puns are underrated, undervalued, and considered as lowest form of wit. But think about it. Would a non-witty person come up with something so amazing that he could change a sentence or the meaning of a sentence with just one word play? No, right? It is intellectual. Hence, we are going to be promoting puns in this video. We'll be scrolling through a set of puns that have been selected on random by Fantastic's very own marketing pundit, Miss Vriti Khawani. The reason being, we want to keep the reactions as genuine and as authentic as possible. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Livers and kidneys in ABC order. Wow, it's very organized. Damn, that is hilarious. It is brilliant. Oh fuck. Oh. A Sikh guy cracking a turban pun. My god, like how, like definitely a Sikh sense of humor. This pun is one in a melon. Now he's become one of the most green presidents of all time, and ironically you can get a green card too. Barack Ali. How does Moses make coffee? He brews it. Like, the underlying pun is Hebrews. My. I love this panna latte. Why can't your nose be 12 inches long? Because then it would be a foot. What a cool Pokemon fan base. That is insane, right? Like, you can see it. The base of the fan makes a Pokeball. Nice. Hiding behind the bush. Oh man. This is smart. Like, smart. Very smart. Firefox has discovered a security breach in Windows. But honestly, zero fucks given. Oh man. I don't know if you know the tagline for Tata Sky is "Isko laga dala to life chinga lala." So this guy is trying to attempt a pun on Jigna Gala. So hence he's trying to make it sound like "Isko laga dala to life chinga lala." Good attempt. Good. Like I laughed yesterday in Hindi is Michael Hasi. Oh man, like ultimate savage. Toll booths are nothing but Bill Gates. Like insane, insane. A common connection between the two. दोनों पैसा लेते हैं और दोनों पैसा चुराते हैं. काम कुछ नहीं करेंगे. An old lady asked me the way to the temple. I replied, Maji straight. She, where are you? Sona mein. She, with your phone? Me, yup. She, in a sauna? क्यों? मैं, me, रब ने बनाया. You get it? You get it? इन्ना सोना क्यों रब ने बनाया. स्मार्ट. बट ये पढ़ने के बाद या ये सुनने के बाद आवा जावा में तो I don't remember the sentence, but I think you can relate, right? Upon hearing my decision to be an atheist, I was told ये गलत फहमी है. I put my shades on and said नहीं, ये blasphemy है. This is a brilliant pun. Like दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. How do you make holy water? You boil the hell out of it. Oh man. My friend's bakery burned down last night. Now his business is toast. That is a roast on your friend. I love the way the earth rotates. It makes my day. I got some shoes from my drug dealer recently. I don't know what he laced them with, but I'm tripping all day. Like, no to drugs, yes to puns, and this is a trippy pun for sure. Like, so much wordplay. Oh my god, like, I hope you all really enjoyed these puns, and I hope I have made it simpler for y'all. Do comment and let me know if I can make it more simpler, and do you all want, what kind of puns do you all want to understand? And do comment, share, subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned. Coming up with some more pun reactions very soon.